Hello, I'm Mark O'Connor, a technology lawyer at DLA Piper, and this short film is to introduce to you our European Technology Index 2020. Now, it's the fifth iteration of our index, spanning more than a decade of change in the technology sector. And if you're familiar with our index, you'll know that it presents insights and perceptions across Europe for technology sector growth. And what a time to check the pulse of our sector. Earlier this year, we were talking about fires and floods, but that's been, of course, superseded by the COVID-19 situation we've all experienced across the world and the impacts we've seen to our economies in terms of government intervention and response in the travel sector, healthcare, and of course, in use of technology, not only within organizations and businesses, but for us personally at home as consumers. Now, what is the index? If you're not familiar with it, it is an interview with some 350 plus senior business executives, lawyers and non-lawyers in a number of sectors. Technology sector, of course, the telecom sector, financial services, and the public sector too. We talk to a range of organizations in size terms, going from the 10 million turnover annually up to the 10 billion size. Well, the data collected this year, of course, was collected in April and May, right at the heart of lockdown across many countries in Europe. So let's drill down into the index itself, and as you'd expect, it covers the areas that are important to you and I. AI and robotics, 5G, data monetization, the prospects for acquiring new businesses in the tech sector, fintech, IoT, cybersecurity, and of course, the impact of Brexit on the European Union. Now, as well as specific moves and trends analysis that you'll see throughout the report, there is an overall tech index score based on a diffusion index that weighs the percentage of respondents' views positively, negatively, or neutrally to various questions put to them. And that brings out the total tech index score itself. And despite everything that's going on right now, we have never seen such a change in the tech index. After the global financial crisis, there was positive sentiment coming out of the market. And then a period of stagnation perhaps in 2016, 2018. But this year, the spike has risen again, and we're seeing a far more positive tech index score, up to 67 this year. The overall picture is of a European tech sector that's facing great uncertainty, as we all are, but which is seeking and seeing opportunity, facing those challenges head on and looking to innovate its way out of trouble. I very much hope you'll pick up insights and tips and observations that'll help you as an organization navigate your way out of the current crisis, wherever you may be across Europe. And while I have you, please don't forget to look at our Coronavirus Resource Center that has specific articles and advice to help in these current times. Thank you.